Come on, now we have taken another segment and to solve the circuit, that is a symmetric rules. First is a mirror symmetry. Fine. See, you can see that the circuit has been given to us 3R, 3R, even 4R is connected here. Fine, 4R resistor is connected here. Fine, this resistance RR is connected here, and we need to find out what is an effective resistance across AB. Fine. Now in mirror symmetry, fine, you can see that if I put a mirror here, okay, along CD, see what will happen. You can see that 3R is here, 3R is here, R is here, R is here. Fine, you can see that symmetry on both the side, okay, left hand side and right hand side. Now suppose you connect an imaginary battery over here between A and B, where we need to find out the resistance. Fine, you can see that the current flows here in the it get divided into two parts, since it will behave as a junction point. Fine, यहाँ पे current क्या होगा, divide होगा. Suppose I1 current flows here and I2 current flows here. Since the mirror has been kept here, you can see that when the current will come goes from here, it will come out like this, I1 again from this part, and I2 goes like this, it comes out as I2 from this part. Fine. Now you must understand the direction of the current should be like this. I1 goes from here, it comes out here. It doesn't mean that when the current mirror has been kept here, the arrows would be like this. Fine, you need to know how the current is flowing in a circuit from positive to negative. Now you can see that when current I1 goes from here, I1 comes from here. Okay, it means there is no division of the current over here, since it behaves as a junction point also. Fine. So mirror symmetry says that when I1 goes here, I1 comes from here. That means there is no distribution of current at this point. Fine. Similarly here you can see that I1 goes from here, I2 goes from here, I2 comes from here. It means that there is no distribution of current at this point. Fine. Ultimately I can say that this branch is shorted. Fine. When this branch is shorted, because there is no distribution, no current goes from this branch, it means it is shorted. When this is shorted, what do you say about these two resistances? They are in series. So 3 and 3 becomes 6R, and these two are in series, so it becomes 2R. Now you can see that since imaginary battery is connected here, so this is in the parallel combination, and you know how to find out the effective resistance in the parallel combination. It would be like this, and it comes out to be what? 1.5R. Yes or no? Fine. We know that effective resistance can be found by this formula, R1 upon R1 plus 1 upon R2. Now see, this is the question we have taken on the basis of mirror symmetry. I'll explain you, but you have to do it by yourself. Fine. Suppose the circuit is given to us like this. Suppose I put a mirror over here. Fine. If I put a mirror over here, you can see that one would be same. Here 1 and 1 would be same. This one and this one would be same. Fine. Now we are not bothered about this part. Fine. Now you just see how the distribution of the current will take place. Suppose one current flows here. Suppose I goes from here. Fine. Now in this branch, suppose X current flows here. Fine. Y current flows here. Now since the mirror is here, you can see that when I say X current here and the Y current flows from this part. Fine. Since mirror is here, so X comes out from this part. Yes or no? When Y comes from this branch, that means Y goes from this branch like this. Yes or no? And there is a distribution of current over here. Suppose it is Z. So this definitely Z will come from this part. Fine. It means what? What do you mean by this? Means there is no flow of the current at this branch. That means this branch has been shorted. Fine. So how you will get it? The equivalent circuit for this means there is no junction point over here. Because Z goes here, Z comes out from this part. That means there is no distribution of current here. Fine. Now it means that there is no junction point over here, because X goes here, X comes out here, and there is no distribution along this branch. This branch is just, or this point or junction point has been kept for your dilemma only, for confusion part. Fine. So isko niche le lo. Fine. You will get like this. Now you can solve it by yourself and try to find out and write it down the answer in a comment box. Fine. If you like it, please share it with your friends. You can see now this is in 2 ohm resistor. Fine. This is in series. Yes. This is in series. Yes. Since this is this point is a junction point, again you can say there is a division of the current over here. Fine. From Y, Z goes here. It means that this is 2 ohm resistor series. Series is in parallel with 1. 2 is in parallel with 1, whatever the effective you will get, 1 and 1 would be again in series, means this part and this is in series, again that combination is in parallel. ठीक है, ट्राई करिए and please write the answer in a comment box so that I would understand whether you are able to do this sum or not. If you have any problem, please write it down in a comment box. Thank you.